I'm Jane. I'm Jane from Lightstrade GILE. Okay. What's your name, please?
My name is Frank.
Frank.
Yeah.
Frank, nice to meet you. I'm Jane from Lightstrade, and we are having the factory cross tour. So in English, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products? And we are filming and stream broadcasting to the whole to the whole countries, to the world.
Okay.
So here you go. You have 10 minutes, and you want to introduce anything you want.
So firstly, I will introduce our company.
Sure.
Okay, so we are a factory. We are established in 2009.
2009.
Yes.
It's 12 years.
Yes, 12 years. And we just point to the outdoor products.
Outdoor products.
Say only outdoor, such as Streetlight, Floodlight. So you can say so we not do LED panel or bulb or tube. So we only point to outdoor products.
Only
so
focus on outdoor. Yeah.
Yes, and we have our own factory. So we have our mold department.
Mold department.
Yes, and die casting, and powder coating. Yes, and also the assembly line. And almost all our products are with our own patent.
Yeah.
So we have over 120 patents already.
So many patents.
Yes, exactly.
I can see.
So later I can show you around. Almost all the products are unique design, and it's not copy from others, but we are the original designer.
Okay.
So firstly, I will show you our product for the grow light.
Yeah, grow light, plant grows.
Yes, because there are many factories now do the grow light.
Yeah.
So we are different because we try to make our products different. We will use lens. Here you can see the lens, which can improve the PAR rate, which can make the light more efficient.
More efficient, yeah.
Yes, and I can show you here for the controller. Okay, here. Listen. So you can
I see the panel.
Okay, you can use here for change. Change the. I can ask another to help me.
Sure.
So we can change the color. Use this controller. This controller, we can use one controller to control more than 500 pieces. So use this cable to connect one fixture with others. So just use more fixtures. So can
just
one controller can control 500 pieces.
Wow.
Yes. And this one is more smart. So we can change the light spectrum. So
so the range of the light.
Yes, we can change the color, change the spectrum, so that the grow light, so that it can be. So we can change here. Okay, you can see we can change the color, and the spectrum will change.
It will change.
Yes, different period of growth. Then we can use different spectrum.
I see.
Yes, there are a lot of factories do grow light, but they always could not do like this.
The fixed spectrum, but yours is changeable.
Yes, and we can this app is designed by us ourselves.
You own the
so we control. We have the original thing.
Great.
Yeah,
that's great.
Yeah,
yes.
you can use an app to control this.
Yes.
Okay, this is the first product I can want to introduce to you.
Yeah.
So another is for the
Streetlight.
We call it this series. This series is for the postal light.
Postal light.
Yes, postal, and I want to introduce this two one, because this two one we can This is for traditional look, and this is for modern look. But we can do it. We can change the color or temperature, and also for this one we can add camera. Use Wi-Fi to add a camera here, and we can also add the motion sensor.
Motion sensor.
And the photo cell sensor.
Yes.
So if someone get close, it light up.
It light up and then
if go away, it turn off.
Turn off.
Yes, and the last product I want to introduce is for this. So this is our famous product. This one we call it showbox area light. Others always do only 100 watt to 300 watt, and we can make it a full range from 20 watt to 600 watt, and so we can provide full range.
Full range
so this,
of the light.
This we can make it a little different with others, and also we
accessories.
Accessories. It can change. Can change the mount. This is for round pole. Well, this is for square pole. Where we can exchange very easily.
Changeable.
Yes.
Adapted to another.
So if others want to use in different kind of places, we can use different kind of accessories.
I see. Yeah.
Yes.
This is necessary because the access.
Yes. So the accessories are full range, so we can be more helpful.
Yes. Because our Lightstrade always getting the requirements of foreign countries and the overseas purchaser. They are asking for the accessory, and back to 20 years ago to adapt some older one to a modern one, and they need the accessory, but they cannot find a suitable one.
It's more easier to install. So and because installation, it costs labor and money, so it save money.
Yes, exactly. That's the very good angle. Save money and energy. Yes.
Okay.
Any other ones? That's all for this. Wow.
That's all. Okay.
Very good and impressive introduction. Thank you so much. Thank you, Frank.
Thanks for you
Thank
coming.
you. Have a good day. Have a good day. Thank you. See you next time. See you around. Bye.